Here are 2 ways to lace Adidas Gazelles. They slip straight on without the need for tying, including loose lacing and bar lacing. Timestamps for each down below. Let's get started. Here's how to loose lace Adidas Gazelles. Start by taking a hold of your lace, and what we're going to do is feed each lace end down into the 2 very bottom eyelets on either side. And you want to feed that lace end down into them from above, like I'm doing here. Pull it through a little bit and smooth out your lace. And then feed this lace end down into the other one, just like I did before. And before you pull all that through, here's a cool little trick you can do. Bring your 2 lace ends together, take a hold of your gazelles and just pull that. And what that'll mean is your laces will come out of equal length on either side. If there's a little twist, don't worry about it, just fix it. That's normal. And then we're going to get started with our pattern. So we're going to keep a hold of this lace first, and we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the next empty eyelet on this side, going into it from above. Just like this. Then we're going to swap to the other one and do the exact same on this side. Take the lace end down into the next empty eyelet from above and pull it through. Now you don't want to be pulling these super tight because it's a loose lace style. That means your foot can slip in and out without the need for tying them up. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace and repeat that. Bring it over, down into the next empty eyelet. Looking good. Swap to the other one. Bring it over and down to the next empty eyelet. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed or pause as much as you need to. There's no rush at all. Then we're going to continue on with the same lace. Bring it over, down into the next empty eyelet on this side. Swap to the other one, bring it over, down to the next empty eyelet on this side. Keep a hold of it. Bring it over, down to the next empty eyelet on this one. Then swap back to your other one, and down to the next empty eyelet on this side. Now, if you've been following along, you'll always have the exact same lace on top each time, if that makes sense. So just make sure yours are. And then when we reach the final eyelets, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Keep a hold of this lace first, and we're going to be taking it up into the eyelet from underneath instead of going down into it from above. So bring that through from underneath, and we're going to pull it through around about this much. Don't worry about that excess lace, we'll sort it in a second. Swap to your other lace and do the same on this side. Bring it up through the final eyelet from underneath and pull it through around about this much so it's equal on both sides. Then just take these excess laces and tuck them behind the sneaker tongue, and they'll sit out of the way on top of your foot and won't bother your feet at all when you slip them in and out. And it'll mean you won't have to tie up a lace bow and you'll have your loose lace style. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of loose lace Adidas Gazelles. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have tons of videos available to inspire you guys. Thanks a lot. Here's how to bar lace Adidas Gazelles. Start by taking a hold of your lace, and we're going to feed each lace end down into the 2 very bottom eyelets from above. So pull one through a little bit, swap to the other one, make sure it's going down to that eyelet from above. Pull it through, and here's a neat little trick you can do before you pull all of that lace through. Bring the 2 lace ends together, take a hold of your gazelles, and just pull that. And what that'll mean is your 2 laces will come out of equal length. If yours haven't, don't worry about it, just pause and make sure they're equal before we get started. Great, then keep a hold of this lace, and what we're going to do is skip the next empty eyelet on this side, and instead we're going to focus on the 3rd one up from the bottom. We're going to take that lace end up through that eyelet from underneath, like this, then bring it over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on this side. So 3rd one up from the bottom on this side, take the lace end down into this one from above to make a bar. Then we're going to swap back to the other lace and fill in these 2 empty eyelets here. We're going to start by taking this lace end up through this one from underneath just like this. Pull that through. Then we're going to bring it over and down into this empty one here to make a bar. So down into this eyelet from above, pull that through. Looking good. And then take this lace end underneath the bar above that. So it's got plenty of space to move around, and we're going to repeat that pattern. So we're going to keep a hold of this lace, skip the next empty eyelet, and instead bring it up through the one above that from underneath. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed or pause as much as you need to. Don't rush and just go at your own pace with this. So once you've pulled that up through that one from underneath, you can bring it over and we'll make another bar. So bring it over and down into the corresponding eyelet from above. Looking good. Then we're going to do what we did before with the other one. So swap to the other one and we're going to fill in these 2 empty eyelets. So take this lace end up through this empty eyelet on this side from underneath. Bring it over and down into the empty one here from above. Looking really good. Then bring that lace end underneath that bar so it can move around for us to finish off the pattern. Then we've just got 2 empty eyelets left. So we're just going to bring this lace end up through the final eyelet from underneath. Just like this. Then we're going to bring it over and down into the corresponding eyelet on this side from above to make our final bar. Make sure your other lace is underneath that so it can move around. And then what I do is just tie these into a little bow or knot, tuck them down inside your sneakers out of the way, and they'll just sit alongside your foot when you slip your foot in and out, and it'll mean your pattern will stay in place without the need for tying it up each time. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of bar lace Adidas Gazelles. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for all your sneaker lacing content. Thanks a lot, guys!